Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today, our concentration will be on these 4 words in Focus 5 series, and that is perhaps, quick, rest, record. So let's begin with the first word, perhaps. P-E-R-H-A-P-S, perhaps. Perhaps not. Perhaps so. Perhaps I should take a break. That's a good idea. Perhaps it will rain tomorrow. Did Romy wish you? No, perhaps she doesn't remember my birthday. I'm confused. What should I do first? Perhaps you should try doing one thing at a time. Listen to people during a conversation. Perhaps the problem is that you don't listen to what other people say. The second word is quick. Q-U-I-C-K, quick. Quick and easy. Quick start. Quick fix. Quick learner. My computer is not working. Let me see. Let me take a quick look at your computer. It may just be a quick fix. Tia is a quick learner. There's a lot of work to do. So let's have a quick lunch? Yeah, sure. I'm tired. Let's have a quick nap. We will take a quick break. Tim has a very quick temper. Here, quick temper means he gets angry very soon. Quick judgments are dangerous. Think before taking up any judgments, any final judgments. You have to think before giving a judgment. The third word is rest. R-E-S-T, rest. Take rest, at rest, rest your feet. You have been working the whole day. Take some rest. The group of hikers rested before continuing the long hike. I rested the broom against the wall. Where are the rest of the boys? They are tired, so they sat down to rest for a while. Please tell us the rest of the story, teacher. Today itself. Can't wait till tomorrow. The story is so interesting. The fourth word is record. R-E-C-O-R-D, record. Break a record. Track record. World record. Guinness record. Record your voice. To improve your English, record your voice. Listen to your record and understand where you need improvement. So as you are learning English, whenever there is a sentence, read the sentence, record your voice, listen to your record and understand where you need improvement. The highest temperature recorded in the world is 134 degree Fahrenheit, that is 56.7 degrees Celsius in California's Death Valley. The event was recorded with a video camera. He broke the Olympic record. Jerry's school record is good. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay happy and take care. Thank you.